Avalanche on the daily chart, got a nice pullback here. When looking for symmetry support, I'm looking at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks that are similar in dollar amount. So the first area that's set up for me with this area is right here. Going to use that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. One more time, using my trend-based fib extension, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Next I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracements, going to pull from that pivot low to pivot high. We do have a 50% retracement that is in confluence with the two symmetry support work that we just did. Now I'm going to use my trend-based fib extension one more time, using swings in the same directions, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to this new recent pivot high. That gives me another price relationship against the zone. Now jumping down to an hourly chart, we do have some challenges on our way back up. Price to get into our 3 price relationship, but is trading below that 200 moving average. So what we need is price continues to establish a series of higher highs and higher lows and get up above that 200 if you want to be more conservative. Now you can go long with a trigger on the 15-minute time frame where the A crosses against the 34, which should occur right here. You can see that A moving average did cross against that 34. Just know that on your way back up, there's going to be some potential resistance along the way. The 200 moving average on the 15-minute chart, as long as the 200 moving average on the hourly chart. Back out on the daily chart, not financial advice. You just gotta position the sides correctly, but whatever you do, you gotta set your stop below this cluster of potential support. Just in case the price comes down against you, you're taking your stop loss and moving on to another chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.